we're talking about malaria, we start off with a mosquito, so will go and bite a person. Remember that it is a mosquito that's pregnant and female that's biting it. So as it does that, that goes and causes immature malaria protists to go and pass into the bloodstream of that person, right? So we've got malaria is infecting it, and these immature malarial protists go and pass into the bloodstream. And they travel around until they go and get to the liver, right? So once they get into the liver, they'll pass into the liver cells, and in those liver cells, they'll grow into mature adult versions of the malaria protist. Right, these adult versions will then go and pass into other red blood cells. Right, some of them will go and cause red blood cells to go and burst open, which is what causes a lot of the symptoms of malaria. And then a second mosquito will come, drink that infected blood from that person. That mosquito will then go and get infected with malaria and pass that malaria onto another different person or organism. And that's how malaria infection now gets spread around.